Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to create your Dola AI account. So first of all, launch Dola AI app on your mobile devices. Now, once you come to the app's interface, you'll see a chat conversation opening like this. If you tap on this back icon, you will see options to log in or create your account. Now, you could continue with Google, continue with phone, and continue with Facebook as well. For now, I'm going to tap on continue with phone. Now, once you have chosen your country code and entered in your phone number, simply tap on next. Now, you will be receiving a code on your SMS. Make sure you check that. Now, paste the code. After this, confirm that you are above 18 or older. Then tap on confirm. Now, all you would have to do is enter in your nickname for your Dola AI account. Then tap on Get Started. Now, with that, you will successfully be able to create your Dola AI account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.